Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, it's been ages. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm so sorry. I've been off YouTube for some time. So YouTube sent me a gift last week, which is last month, I think. Yeah, sent me a gift. We did a mentorship program for women. Yeah, so I was part of the people that was mentored. So after the end of the program, we were sent a gift. I think we finished the program for more than 3 or 4 months now. So we've been expecting the gift. We did not see it. So I already gave up on it until I saw a message that, oh, I have a gift from Gig or I have a package from Gig. So this is it. And I'm unboxing it here for you guys. I don't know what is inside yet while I was unboxing. So I did this video for us to see what is inside together. Ta-da-da! Oh wow! So that's it. I got some. Is this called bedroom slides? I think. Yeah. So this is a bedroom slide. Yeah, white. It's bigger than my leg, but yeah, it's a gift. So I'll take it. Yeah, and I got a note, like a personalized note for me saying, "Hi, Opoyemi. This is a token of appreciation for being an important part of the YouTube Women Mentorship Program 2024. We hope that the experience was valuable and that the lessons learned will benefit your channel." Yeah, and and all that. So I checked the next thing, and we have a bag, or what's this called? A tote bag. I think that's what it's called, a tote. Yeah, white. And this, well, I was like, what is this first? I did not understand, so I had to like open it and bring it out to see what is inside. I had to open it. So when I opened it, I was like, oh wow. So looking at the screenshots, I get to realize that it was a makeup bag. Voila, for a person when they do makeup, because I don't do makeup. Yeah, so it's a makeup bag. So this is me saying thank you, YouTube. Thank you so much. I love the gift. So I think because of this bag now I have to get makeup. I have to go and buy makeup, so I'll see something to put inside my bag. So that's all for the unboxing. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed making videos and all that. But should I say but? Okay, I'll be back soon. I'm hoping to get my mojo back by January 2025. This year has been so crazy. It has been so crazy. So I'll be back soon, guys. I'll be back. But one thing I want to know that when I'm back, it's gonna be something different. Yeah, you guys know that this channel is not just about sewing. I always said it. It is not a sewing. This is not a sewing channel. This is a channel about Empress Life. And I've been so busy with courses, taking some course, and I'll bring you guys up to par very soon. I'll let you know what's up. So just take this as my way of just peeking in and saying hi, hello, hope you're doing good. How is the country treating you if you're in Nigeria? Hope you're good, hope all is well, and I wish you the best. Enjoy your Christmas. I might still post before Christmas. I'm not sure. So let me just say, enjoy your Christmas and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I love you guys. Bye bye.
By grace that we saved through faith, glory to God.